What happened? Am I in trouble? Hi, Lloyd. How am I doing so far? Hello, coffee, my old friend. I've come to order you again. I hear the grinding of espresso beans. I need a double shot of pure caffeine. And the indie band on the speakers soothes my brain. So I'll remain within the sounds of Starbucks. Tried to brew my own at home. Felt so quiet and alone. I need to be amid the morning rush, where the leather chairs are soft and plush. And I'll drink a grande cappuccino with a pumpkin skill. Charge my phone. Listen to the sounds of Starbucks. Then I heard an awful scream. They had totes run out of cream. A new employees built the coffee grounds, and the Wi-Fi went completely down. And a lady in yoga pants threw a latte out the wall. The cops were called. They didn't tell me they were going to do that. And came the sounds of sirens. And in the drive-thru lane I saw 1,000 hipsters, maybe more. People paying without drinking. People waiting, they were all freaking. People going off 'cause they couldn't get a caramel wrap. Holy crap. A riot started at Starbucks. And while the Bible study prayed, baristas spoke a barricade. The manager cried out a warning to the angry mob that was forming. And he said, I checked Google Maps, there's another one across the street. So we stampede, return to the sounds of Starbucks.
Ha 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 ha!